What's up, folks? Looks like we lucked out and got a couple of days of pretty decent weather, so I decided to take advantage of it, come outside and do a photo shoot. So let's go. Alright, now that the wind's died down a little bit, I can talk about my creative process. So the first thing I did was try to find a nice spot with pretty good scenery and colors. I think I did that. So once I found the spot, I started looking for a patch of ground with like pretty good sunlight streaming through. So usually, as I've said before, I like to put the light at the figure's back to get a little bit of rim lighting and make it look like it's more integrated into the environment. So then I kind of pick my lens to frame the backdrop how I want it. I was trying to capture some of this riverbed here, and then I'll set the distance of my figure from the camera to get the framing for that I want. Okay, so I'm out shooting in the woods, and then it turns out that one of the memory cards on my camera is refusing to format, which means I basically shot the first card full of footage and photos, and now I'm just completely out of space. It's kind of a shame because aside from this wind, it's like a really gorgeous day, and I found a really awesome spot by the riverbed to shoot. So yeah, in case you were wondering why I'm filming on a cell phone, I'm just completely out of space on my memory card. So I guess that means I'm gonna pack it in for today. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys later.